What's 6 times 4?
It's 24.
Who told you that?
Nobody.
Name one continent.
Asia.
Who told you that?
Nobody.
You're 6 years old! You shouldn't know any of this! I want you to name an element on the periodic table.
H2O.
That is not an element on the periodic table. Wrong! Now I want you to spell light.
I don't know.
See? Your answer key left, so now you know nothing. Cause you're just a 6-year-old.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
What? Why did you say that to me?
Cause I'm allowed to say cuss words.
No, you're not, bro. You're 6 years old. You're not cool because you can swear, bro. Stop swearing.